I just messaged a girl from one of the group. She said she wants to meet for lunch or something. Just having breakfast now. I think we're gonna try and meet and like explore the city centre together. So that'd be really nice. I think there was someone else who arrived this morning. So Izzy, she arrived like on Tuesday. And she's just been here since then. But yeah, I'm only here for the tour, so I didn't have any extra time. I pretty much leave like the morning of the last day. So yeah, I'm gonna just eat and then try and meet up with other people who've come here, because it'd be nice to like explore the city together. This is my first time in Costa Rica and my first time on a group tour. I'm usually so used to traveling on my own and meeting people along the way. But I wanted to see what it'd be like to travel the country with the same group of people the whole way through. Shortly after I arrived, I met a girl called Izzy who's also from England, and we made plans to meet up with others in the group. She's eating a croissant with a knife and fork. Oh my goodness! Are they all different?
All just as delicious.
Should we all share a pizza or something? Are you hungry?
Yeah. Izzy, waiting. That is so cool that it like matches.
Wait, I can't get it like that.
That is so cute. Yeah, it's pretty much.
Sorry, I can't. I've noticed it. I found out.
Shortly after, David from the group tour also joined us.
This lens is actually like a disposable video, but kind of a cool like Alright, so we're just walking.
Where are we now? What is this place?
This is at La California. Is it hard or is it fun? I can't tell if it's like a
I shouldn't be
playground.
doing it.
It's cool.
Yeah, that's good.
Is that heavy? How is this? Our first adventures in Costa Rica. We're going to a tattoo parlor to find out how much tattoos cost, because these two want to get tattoos on Friday. I kind of want to get a tattoo. I just haven't thought of my next tattoo idea. I've already got like a spontaneous tattoo a couple months ago, and I feel like I need to like plan my next one better. This is the tattoo place.
Like a tattoo for next Friday?
Wait, I want to see. I'm missing out. Let's
Why
see.
was it painful?
Oh my god! Oh yeah, that was really cool though.
Thanks.
I love the design.
And it hasn't faded too much, which is
No,
nice, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say, how did
Usually
you
it
keep
fades
that?
How long ago did you get that?
Maybe like 2 hours.
2 hours ago.
Ah, no, sorry, like 1 year.
A year ago, you
Yeah,
still have
yeah.
that.
That's incredible. How?
Thanks.
Wow.
You must really take really good
What
care of
was
your
the
skin.
most painful one?
The palm tat and the head tat.
We're in the tattoo shop and Izzy and Clayton just put a deposit down for tattoos this Friday. I didn't.
You're not gonna get one?
I don't know because I don't know what I want mine to say. But I don't know what I want mine to say yet.
Just book it and then see what.
Just look at and see what I feel like getting tattooed
Think about it all
later.
week.
I did a spontaneous one already, like 2 months
Yeah,
ago.
usually I do, and this time I'll actually pay the deposit so I can't get out of it.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
The shoes have come off already, and it's only 5 o'clock.
Yeah, I don't know if you can really find a much water.
What camera is that?
I'm sorry. It's like a DJI.
If it's not too many Japan or something, I might see
vlogging our trip then. Let me know. Yeah, you're gonna have to like.
Yeah, can you just like
Just vlog it all for us.
just send it to us?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Everything I have is so shaky. So for my tripod.
Yeah, I mean, color sleeping head. It looks so good.
Everyone's from different areas.
Yeah. Where are you guys from?
We're from Texas.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we have some English.
Breakfast before rafting. On our second day, half of the group went whitewater rafting and half of the group went to the next destination, La Fortuna. Honestly, in this moment, we all looked really calm, but we were all internally stressed out. Luckily, the instructor managed to pull it in very quickly.
You know we have to buy the pictures.
We're about to go for dinner at a restaurant with everyone.
Not wake up, but pick up.
I don't know what restaurant we're at. I don't know what it's called.
I think it's just called
We're at Nanku. Apparently, if you go up and sing, you get a free shot or a drink.
free shot.
If you go up and sing.
Adjust your.
Oh, I'm paranoid. I'm not going to be drunk enough to do that.
Really? I I don't know how many drinks it would take me.
Yeah.
I don't think I would ever say.
Enjoy, precious.
Oh my gosh. Don't worry, you get it. The mashed potatoes and veggies. Oh my goodness.
You're right, it looks so miserable.
The palm tree, I could be in England.
Yeah, that's
Literally, I'm like, look.
I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 7, right? It's like 7, and we're waiting. I think we're waiting on another group to come, or like more people. We're about to go to the Lost Canyon and do canyoneering, which I've never done. And then we're gonna do like, we're doing waterfalls at like after lunch.
Yeah.
And then hot springs in the evening. This is my first time canyoneering, and I was genuinely so terrified when we first looked down at the drop that we had to go down, but actually it wasn't that bad once we got the hang of it. The water was really cold and I definitely destroyed my trainers in Costa Rica. I ended up leaving them there because they were just too gross to bring back to England. After a very intense morning of rappelling and canyoning, we grabbed some food before heading back to the hostel. Later, even went to a resort for hot springs, and that was the first time the whole group were together and we actually got to spend time together and get to know each other. To continue the vibes, we went back to the hostel and played a tournament of beer pong.
Fantastic. I feel like a real winner. I think I taught everybody how to play, which was a good time. And you know, I never thought that my beer pong knowledge would come in handy, but here it is. In Costa Rica, it came in very handy. Yeah, and I also didn't know that no one else.
No, we didn't know.
I
didn't know any of the rules. The next day, we went to the next destination, Montezuma, and we took 2 buses and a ferry to get there. And because we had so much time on our hands, Scott had a great idea to create a playlist for everyone to add their top 5 songs to. So like now we've all added, I've added 6 actually. Okay, fine. I'll remove it. I might remove
extra one for doing the effort. Sorry.
Okay, I've added 6. Scott has yet to add any. The one whose idea was
Russian process. Can't Russian artists.
Scott, show us your bag. Scott basically didn't get his bag. The context behind his bag is that on the first day we arrived, we like all met and then he just didn't have his bag. He had only his like what he brought on the carry-on, and this was his checked bag. He was like in contact with the airline trying to figure out like where it was. So they were supposed to send it to the second hostel, but when we got to the second hostel, apparently someone had like signed for it, but it wasn't Scott. So we got back to the hostel at like maybe 11 p.m. and he was just sat there like really sad about his luggage. But he ended up walking around the street. He went to like the other hostel, like it sounded similar, and lo and behold his bag was there. He was flying with Air Canada, by the way. How do you feel now?
Relieved. Straps. Also, duffel bag. $149.99 Canadian.
If I do one addition, I'd say sleek.
Sleep. Yeah.
Functional, you like
Aerodynamic front.
Lululemon. I don't know if I want this bag now. After a long journey, we finally arrived at our hotel and decided to head to the beach. And we're having dinner in like half an hour, like in a restaurant I think next to the beach that we were just at. We're snorkeling tomorrow. I think everyone in the group is going snorkeling tomorrow. I actually really like when everyone does the same activity in the group, because I think at the beginning of the trip we kind of got split off. Like half of us were doing whitewater rafting and half of the group went to the next destination on a bus. So I like that yesterday we did hot springs all as a group and we hung out, and then I think quite a few of us went to the beach today to just chill and watch the sunset. I don't think everybody went, but it was really nice to just hang out. And tomorrow I'm pretty sure everyone is doing snorkeling. That's really cool. What is this?
It's a margarita with
That's so cool. It's such a tiny Corona.
It's a mini Corona.
Is it a coronita?
It is.
It's cute. So cute.
Alright, do it again.
Now, burn your ass here. Christian, come here.
Okay.
Oh, you got the fight down. Hey, boys. Make sure I'm funny in the video. Make sure.
Like laughing.
Yeah,
Just saying jokes.
I want like a friend. I want friends like round of applause after like a studio audience.
Like a sitcom, like laughing.
Yeah.
It's all just like us laughing at your jokes. It's Wednesday today. I don't know how many days it is, but today the plan is to go snorkeling. Everyone's going snorkeling. We're gonna go on like a boat tour to the island, I think. I think there's like things to see while you go snorkeling. I'm not sure. We will see, but I think there's like a chance we can see other things. I think it will be like an all-day thing, and then apparently we can see bioluminescent plankton, which I saw last month in Thailand, but it's very underwhelming. Yeah. You guys have breakfast?
Ladies, behave for 1 second. All right, here we go.
We spent the day in Santa Teresa, a little surf town on the Pacific coast. Out of all of our days here, this was probably one of our most relaxed days. We spent our entire day lounging in the sun at a beach club.
My mum always collects shells from the beach, so I feel like, but this one's kind of actually really cool. Give us her as a present.
This is so cool. Where did you find it?
Yeah, he's following me back home, you know.
It's your second hermit crab.
I'm gonna bring this guy back to Canada.
Yeah, it's your new pet. I mean, it's coming towards us. Having travelled for the week with the same group of people around Costa Rica, I had a really good time getting to know people for longer than a few short days, and I really hope to see them again one day.
Oh, I like it.
Becca, like, what are your thoughts on this G Adventures trip?
This was so lovely, and just like, I liked my last trip a lot. Like, the country itself was so fabulous, but the people were kind of like, I haven't talked to them again, and I feel like I'm gonna talk to you guys at least once again. Like,
Yeah. Do you think you'll meet up with anyone after this?
I don't know, maybe?
if I'm ever in one of your cities, I will definitely throw you a text and say, do you want to go to a meal?
I'm kind of the same.
You know? Can't hurt.
I definitely will miss you guys though.
Yeah.
Like, it's weird.
It's weird. It's like we could be starting like a regular friendship, but because we're all going to separate parts of the world, it's like most likely.
I'll watch
not.
all your lives on Instagram.
Exactly.
Yeah, I really look forward
Yeah.
to doing that. I think the best moment as far as like the whole group is concerned though is the hot springs.
Yeah.
Yes, I
That's,
agree.
Like, the first moment, I feel like
100%.
everyone kind
Yeah.
of is like, what's
Got
that?
to know each
We
other.
really know, like,
Right.
right now, like.
Are you gonna miss anyone else?
No, I post, but not.
No.
Savannah, what's your favorite moment?
I don't know. I was talking about a couple. I think I liked the hot springs. I also liked the whole snorkeling day. I think that was really fun being with the boat. And then last is also just yesterday at the beach club. Like, so I can't pick. I don't know.
Yeah, that's
So
okay.
those are like my top three. I had a very good time in all of them.
Lizzie, what's your favorite moment?
Probably the snorkeling. That's probably maybe the beach day.
David, what's your favourite moment of the trip?
Maybe hot springs, to be honest.
Same.
Which, I mean, that day as a whole, the Gravity Falls was fun for me to start
Yeah.
it off, but hot springs, I think, was the first time we all did something together. I know a lot of you done rafting, but
But it wasn't everyone.
there were a few people missing, and I think hot springs we all
And we were kind of
really
split up
together.
throughout the day.
Yeah.
We were all in our own rafts,
It
or
was
like
a good
some of us
time.
were in our rafts.
Got drinks.
Yeah.
I feel like we started to really have our first like real conversation with each
Yeah,
other.
I agree. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Being here has like changed my life.